Hi everyone and welcome back to Diamond Paintings with me, your host Mike. This is another unboxing that I got with my Amazon birthday voucher. So I'm going to unbox this now. I'm loving the new packaging of these, and this was another recommendation one that I saw and I really liked it. And what's nice about this is you don't have to unwrap it. You've got the drills on one side, then the painting on the other, and we'll get to that very shortly if it can. Whoops. And we'll get inside here next. So, yeah, wow. So we'll do this one a bit different. We'll see the drills first and then we'll do the painting after. But these are rounds, as you can see. When I'm shopping, I don't really go for I don't check to see if they're rounds or squares. I go by the picture. So I always like to look at the picture, but as you can see, this is quite a lovely one. So we've got a lot of greys, a lot of blacks in here, probably slate metallic grey there. We've got some reds. This painting is an awful lot of grey and white, I will tell you that. We've got some other different colours there, like a chocomoco brown there. Sort of like a purpley sort of grey, if you get me. It's pretty nice. We've got a dark red, so a dark red and a light red. And then obviously, same sort of colours again. And yeah, wow, look at that. But you can see it's quite a dark shaped one. So we'll put them over to one side. We've got ourselves our standard boat again. No tweezers or baggies in there. So just your standard sort of bag. And this is the painting, guys. Are you ready? Can you see what it is? I love my butterflies. Oh my God, they've sent us, what the hell? They've sent us another one. So we've got 2 in 1. Oh, sweet. Okay, that's very rare. You don't often get 2 in 1. Okay, take that back. That you don't get 2 in 1. That's for the other one that I just filmed. The flower. But I saw this on a recommendation and I was like, OMG, I've got to get this. So the standard sort of size there, 30x40. And as you can see, it's got this lovely sort of white flower on it up the top there. Can you see that? It's got yourself 19 colours there. And look at that. You get this gorgeous red butterfly on it, and then it's basically the majority of it's all white, so it's going to be a very sort of, you've got some other colours in there, but it's going to be one of them paintings where it's going to bore you to death with the same colour all the time. But rest assured, once we get all the drills on and the butterfly itself, I think that will pop, especially with the butterfly, because these colours, you can see you've got a darker red and a lighter red, so that's going to be really good. Can't wait to do this. And I said this was a £5 as well, so 30x40 if you want to get it for yourself. The link's in the description below the video. I do love doing butterflies. It's something that I always like doing. But yeah, lovely size this one, and it's Fire Jalousie High. So yeah, really lovely. I don't think I've ever worked with that symbol there, this arrow before, apart from there was another video I had a random arrow in it. Can't remember what, but this is absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, butterflies, I'm part of the Butterfly Conservation. I do send them a donation every month because I'm a member. And yeah, butterflies, I just love them. My relative is absolutely obsessed with them. She loves butterflies. Everything's butterflies. Butterfly wallpaper, butterfly solar-powered lights, you know, decorations. So I love butterflies as well. You know, they only live for like 3 days, so we've got to cherish them. But that's a gorgeous painting. So I hope you like that. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tap the bell if you want to be notified of other videos that I do. Please remember to tap the notification bell, subscribe, totally free. And I'll see you next time for more Amazon unboxings. Bye, guys.